Today is about dissolving, a key functionality of high-shear mixing that accelerates the process of integrating particles into liquids. Whether you are formulating beverage, sauces or dairy products, speeding up the dissolution process is vital to achieving product consistency and operational efficiency. At its core, dissolving in high-shear mixing involves rapid incorporation particles such as powder, granules or other additives into a liquid medium. The intense shear forces generated by the rotor stator assembly work to break down the particles into smaller fragments, exposing a greater surface area to the liquid. By efficiently dispersing these particles, the mixer ensures that every part of your formulation is evenly integrated. One of the most significant benefits of using high-shear mixing for dissolving is the reduction in processing time. Traditional dissolving methods might take several minutes or even longer to fully integrate powders into liquid. However, high-shear mixing accelerates this process. In high-volume production environments where time is money, this efficiency boost can translate directly into increased throughput and lower energy cost. Temperature control plays a critical role in this process. Warmer liquids typically promote quicker dissolution because the increased temperature lowers the viscosity of the liquid and enhances molecular movement. However, you must be cautious. Overheating can compromise sensitive ingredients. In practical application, consider how high-shear dissolving is indispensable in dairy and beverage production. Powder ingredients such as vitamins, minerals or flavourings need to be incorporated uniformly into milk or plant-based beverages. The rapid action of the high-shear mixer ensures that these powders are dissolved completely, eliminating any lumps and providing a smooth, consistent final product. In soup and sauce production, achieving a lump-free, homogeneous mixture is equally important. Inconsistencies can affect not only the texture but also the flavor profile of the product. Another tip for optimizing the dissolving process is to consider the order in which ingredients are added. Pre-mixing certain particles with a portion of the liquid can sometimes promote faster initial dissolution, especially when dealing with ingredients that are difficult to dissolve. Additionally, using inline mixers that continuously circulate the product can further ensure that every particle is exposed to the shear force repeatedly, promoting a complete and uniform solution. It is also important to be aware of common pitfalls. If your particle isn't dissolving as expected, it may be due to insufficient shear forces, inadequate mixing time, or even a temperature that is too low. Regularly monitoring these parameters and adjust as needed, a well-calibrated high-shear mixer not only improves dissolving efficiency but also enhances product quality, leading to better texture, improved nutritional bioavailability, and longer shelf life. To summarize, high-shear mixing accelerates particle dissolution by breaking down the particles rapidly and ensuring uniform exposure to the liquid. This results in faster processing time, a higher quality consistent product, whether you are working on sauces, dairy or beverages. The key is to carefully control rotor speed, mixing time and temperature while being mindful of ingredients order and potential pitfalls. If you have any questions or need further insight into optimizing the dissolving process in your application, please feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep your ingredients fully dissolved and your operation running smoothly.